earbuds. And let me show you. I don't think you saw this, but because it's getting cooler and Kilo always liked that blanket, and that blanket was like a beige blanket, and I did not like when he put that blanket on, so I was like, let me show you. So I got this pillow, and I probably should make my bed before I show it to you, but with the blanket that I had, and then this one, oh, look how cozy this looks. Look. Oh yes, made me want to take a nap right now. Yes. Oh, I was so comfortable last night. So I had to finish out this vlog because, you know, I'm not gonna just leave you guys with half-ass content, and I didn't finish it out last night. So, and last night we had, I wish I could show you what Angie was talking about, the taco casserole. I just ate the rest for lunch, but here it is here. There it is right there. It doesn't look so appetizing now, but it came out really good. And it was really pretty easy. So anyway, guys, you can't see anything out here, but follow the light.
In summer when we still had our pool, when my mom was in the fire like late at night like me, I just jumped in the pool.
Say hi, Angie.
Hi! I'm eating s'mores.
Are they good?
Yes. Hi! Again.
It's Georgie. Georgie the Giant. George, I hope you know I recorded you, right? Playing that DVR.
Oh, that's nice.
We're gonna call you the Giant on my channel, okay?
That's nice.
Yeah.
You're gonna have a lot of haters.
No, I'm not. I am not. I'm gonna be like, Georgie the Giant plays VR game.
I didn't like the top, so I made it myself.
That's what I did in my shirt.
Like, and it's all the way up to here.
Be careful. Blow it, blow it. Okay, so how much did you win in all in the past 2 weeks?
1,800.
Woo! 1,800, George.
This week and last week.
No, we don't need it. It's fine. It's all right. What's up, Kilo?
Marshmallows are good. What up?
You gonna
I got these for you.
Oh yeah.
Oh, thank you.
The pork rinds. Take them so you could.
I need a Hershey, Mom.
A Slim Jim.
Okay.
We sing.
I did with a Chico stick for a second there.
Crack into a Slim Jim.
No, it's not Slim Jim. It's
Whatever. What is it? It's bigger and better than a Slim Jim.
stick.
It's a protein stick.
Good. Marshmallow's always good though.
Kilo likes Chico sticks, right?
I love Chico sticks.
If so, guys, if you find Chico sticks, you know what's next.
Bridgeport.
You know what's next.
Bridgeport.
You know, he was in love with the grape thingies. I think he's kind of, he still has a stack. He has a stack pile.
A stash of it.
A stockpile of
Yes,
that.
yes.
So, next thing, if you want to make Kilo really happy, is
Really
some
happy.
Chico sticks.
Chico sticks. Bring me back to my youth.
Chico sticks.
You know, like to do like have it and like
Here, hold it.
use it to stir my drink. You know, look all fancy and stuff.
Ew.
Everybody pull out a little spoon. I pull out a Chico stick. Like yeah, little Chico stick in the morning coffee, looking like a pimp.
Ew.
What's Gucci dog fam? Hey, we look cool out here with the fire.
Hi!
Right here.
You
Yeah.
never said hi to me, Dad.
I gave you a hug and everything in
Thanks
the
to
front.
Claudia, we have a pit.
Multiple times. Shout out to Claudia in the fire pit. Hey.
Oh, Angie.
Yes?
Anya, watch out. Swinging
There
around
you
a
go.
fire marshmallow.
Oh.
And then it was light.
I need one of
Good
these.
night.
Look at that. You don't want to put a marshmallow in there.
No way.
What? Ew, that one's mine.
Well, you put it down, that's why.
And that's why I said take this one because I could see that.
This is the big one. Let's marsh the marshmallow.
I'll do it like you do it, Mom.
Careful.
Yeah, the top is on fire.
I know.
It?
Yeah.
You touched it anyway?
Yeah.
Wow, this catches on fire really fast.
Yeah.
I wonder who was the first person to think about that.
Put sugar on a stick and burn it.
Well, to make a marshmallow and then hold it over a fire. I mean, that's pretty much bravery.
The caveman.
Think about that whole process. You got to get a stick, stick it on the stick, put it in the fire, let it toast
Well,
up.
back in the day, they used to always use sticks to I don't know.
Well, I think you're right about that, though. You're right.
Google it. Somebody Google it. Who was the first one?
That roasted marshmallows.
No.
Oh no.
She about to tell
Girl Scouts.
Boy Scouts.
Girls.
We're gonna start a fight over here.
Okay, the history of a marshmallow.
Oh wow, it's getting deep. The history?
Ancient Egyptians.
Get out of here. Egyptians was
A
freaking.
wild herb growing in marshland.
Marshland, from which a sweet substance could be extracted. This substance, the sap of a marshmallow plant, is
Wait, there's a marshmallow plant?
Yeah,
Get out of here!
combined with a honey-based candy recipe to create confection delightful that it deserves only for the pharaohs and
Wow, and guys, what?
Okay.
Get out of here, are you serious?
1800s, candy makers in France combine marshmallow sap with egg whites and sugar and whip it
Whip it real good.
by hand and create fresh marshmallows as we know them.
By hand, so, okay, so how we know them now?
Quickly, that candy makers developed in a starch mogul system. Cornstarch mold? Oh, mogul. Yeah, it's cornstarch mogul system.
Okay.
Using cornstarch molds to form marshmallows so that they could make it faster. Doctors also associated use of the sap combined with egg whites and sugar to form hard meringue that was sold as a medicinal candy to soothe
Wow, got the medicinal marshmallows.
medicinal soothe.
I eat marshmallows for my anxiety. You alright?
Suppress coughs.
Well, get in that side of the baby.
What the heck? So you can take that, heat it up, and put it on a wound. Nuh-uh.
Wow, that's
No way.
the power of a marshmallow.
And like Girl Scouts in 1927. You might have been right, babe.
What?
Yep.
That's crazy.
First person to
So
do
that's
the
not too-
marshmallow- to marsh the marshmallow.
So,
was in 1927.
girl power.
So girls decided to
Not
toast
Boy
it. Well, they're the
Scouts.
first ones to
Nope,
share
girls.
it. They stole it from the Boy Scouts. Girls are smarter and was like, you know what? We need to put this on
We're gonna
ink.
patent this. You
Yeah.
know dinner's done, right?
Hey, I'm starving, babe. What do? I just grab the chicken and shred it up and throw it in some bread?
Yeah. Some is already shredded in the microwave.
Oh.
What do you do?
Well, you wanted me to come out here, so I wanted to come
What
out
does
here
he
with you.
do?
I looked in the pot.
Oh no! What does he
Chicken breast
do?
is there. I'm like, wait, what?
Yeah. No, but there's some shredded already. All right. So yeah. I hope you like the informational marshmallow journey we are on.
You tape recorded that?
Yeah.
No, you did.
Yes, he did.
I
If you're gonna
must
sound
have
like a
sounded
chipmunk.
Now we got the whole history.
Really?
Yeah.
So commentary?
Yeah, you're gonna sound like a chipmunk, so we can speed through it. Just in case there's some that don't really care about where the history of a marshmallow came, which
I never knew that.
me neither.
Me neither.
But it'll sound so much better if I
Don't
fast
you
forward
know
it.
that?
1947. I have something new
I
to tell
do.
people every day.
There is always
They're gonna say the boys.
some education in everything.
Oh, no.
All right, I'm gonna go in and eat, guys.
Okay. You want to make it for you? I'll make it for you. Hold on.
You will? Get out of here. I love you so much,
Yeah.
man.
I'll take you guys with me. You stay out here with me.
All right, thank you, baby.
All right. Just when I thought I was gonna end this, I can't see anything. Let's go make Kilo his plate. Woo! Adjustment. We need to adjust here. My camera is not happy right now. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. There we go. Jeez, that was crazy. All right, so I'll set you guys up right here. We got, he's gonna want some barbecue sauce in there. Got the sandwich right here. I cooked the chicken in my crock pot. I mean, pressure cooker. Easy. What the heck is going on with my bread? What the heck is going on? What is really going on? That was shout out to Jillian. You know what? I gotta heat it up. Oh.
If it was me, I would like put some potatoes on here and everything, call it a day, but what is really going on? Okay.
Got some French fries.
Not that it's gonna like this, but just like boil them first.
Okay. There it be. Let's go give it to the man. He's lucky I'm a good wife. How do I do it, right?
You talk about tonight.
Ooh. Look at that fire now, Bobby. Bobby now. Come here, lady. Protected by Viper. Here, babe. How was the sandwich, Laylo?
Really good.
Really good?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Oh, you can actually see me with that?
Yeah.
Fuck, I'm gonna sneeze.
He's crying.
Achoo! Where'd the girls go?
Back there. Something about they wanted to say something to Noah.
Oh. Did Noah want to come? I'm gonna end this vlog. So until the next time, we all will catch each other on the flip side.